Hello everyone, today is Friday, November 1st. You're looking at another chart of the BWT Autotrader that qualified for a prop firm account, a $50,000 funded account, trying to get to 10, and I'll employ a slightly different strategy. If you're having trouble qualifying for a prop firm account, this is one way that you can do that. The prop firms don't care how you qualify for the account. However, once you have a funded account, the rules are a bit different. Not going to get into that here. But anyway, the trades were taken with the help of the core levels, and the core levels being targets in this case. The core level was bypassed because it was so close. So you have a setting here where you can not have the core level of a target if the price is too close. This was trail stopped out and also resulted in this short trade. This trade here targeted the core levels right here, and you can see that there's a little bit of an offset because sometimes it doesn't tag the level exactly, but there were 7 winners and 2 losers on this chart and hit a $3,100 goal and qualified for a prop firm account. Next, what I want to show you is the core levels in the trade room and how they call the targets for the core levels in the trade room. So this is a 5-minute chart, which they typically show in the BWT trade room. And unfortunately, they started the video at 10 o'clock, and I'm trying to get a video that starts at 9:20 because these ellipses here, and on the NQ, these ellipses are drawn in advance. The green shaded one is what they call the rubber band, and that's where prices are expected to make its highest high or lowest low and bounce from there. In other words, the market has achieved its daily objective if it reaches there. On the left, we have a chart of the ES, and on the right is the NQ. So this green shaded area is the opening range of the first 5-minute bar. So you can see it was this opening range of this first red bar right here. And on the ES, you can see that the first 2 levels were hit from the open. So if you had an entry right above the high of this red bar, the opening bar, you would have achieved your objective in the ES. And then in the NQ, you would have ultimately achieved your objective as well, because the core levels went all the way to 2280 and up to the upper buy hot zone, which is right here. On this chart of the core levels that I just showed, this is the upper buy hot zone for the first hour. Right here. So you can see those levels were achieved, and then this is the lower buy hot zone and the upper buy hot zone after 10:30. So in the first hour, we have a tighter looking core levels, and then with this action, the core levels are recalculated at 10:30, and you can see how things changed here. So this is the expected high, this green line, that was achieved in the first hour, and then after the first hour, the expected high was moved up to here, and prices came all the way to the upper buy hot zone, and then retrace down here. So on this chart, this is a 3-minute chart. You can see the bread and butter trades are from the midpoint, which is here, to the point of control, to the point of control, to the midpoint. In the first hour of trading, these are pretty significant ranges, actually. So on the NQ, for example, this is 2,069 to the point of control is 2,101. That's 120 ticks. And then from this midpoint up to here is another 30 points or 120 ticks. So the accuracy of the core levels cannot be understated. So in the trade room, these are plotted in advance, and you can see that all the way up to 2260 or so. Where is the high here? 2284. So it actually achieved what we call the rubber band, this green shaded area. This is 2280 right up here. And so all of these levels were hit on the chart. And like I said, these are plotted in advance, and along with some guidance that'll be given in the room if things change. So these levels were hit on the ES and the NQ, and this happens pretty much daily. I don't think there's been a day in the room where these levels have not been achieved. This is what the core levels could look like on Renko bars. These are pretty large Renko bars, but nevertheless, really good signals here. The BWT trend logic is applied to the bar color here, and our precision AI MA moving average will keep you in the trade through some pullbacks like this right here. If you get one errant red bar, it won't take you short. There's another one here. So that's why this moving average is plotted here, because it can keep you from getting in a reversal that you don't want. Well, that's all for this video. If you want to find out more about what we do in our trade room, you can join our Discord channel for free. There's a link in the description. Again, send me an email and I'll send you an invite. And we also offer a free trial of the trade room for 3 days. So if you're interested in that, you can just sign up on the website. You'll see the link on the BWT shop page, and I'll have a link in the description. Thanks for watching.